will protect him with an inexpensive, flexible, inflatable airbag. It will be fixed under the chin. So, after some contingent modification and expedient improvisation, or farting about as we call it, we have a prototype bonnet, complete with its air supply and ready to put to the test. Popping it on is no effort at all, and it could be designed to fit easily under the chin, as any bonnet should. It means I'm completely sealed off from the outside world. It means that I have my own private air supply. It even means that I can continue to use a mobile phone if I want to. Hello, I'm terribly sorry, I think you have a wrong number. It means I cannot possibly acquire any outside germs. The nurse's view of the patient is unimpeded, and indeed the patient gets a pretty decent view of the nurse. It really is extremely easy to remove. So, this little prototype seems to work. Would it work in practice? Only time will tell. But if it does, do you know, I honestly think that could solve an awful lot of pressing problems. We have created a surgical bonnet. It's Brian's version of a bonnet. It's a bonnet.